The Elago AirPods Pro cases. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at some AirPod Pro cases by Elago. We will look at the Hang case and the original version. Plus, I will install some dust guards. I have included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The left side we have the Hang cases, and on the right is the original. The Hang cases come with a carabiner. The AirPod Pro case, just like the previous models, are susceptible to scratches and can be a bit slippery. And these Elago cases should solve those issues. I have the black and the night glow version of the Hang cases. They come in multiple colors as well. They're soft silicone all around and it has a nice grippy feel to it. And you have the attachment for the carabiner on the right side. The bottom has a cover for the lightning port. They're very easy to install, it just slides right in. It opens and closes with ease, and there's also a transparent window on the front for the LED. Next is the night glow version. This will actually glow blue in the dark and it has a transparent look to it. The top cover does take a bit of adjustment to get it seated properly and lined up. Now the original case. This also comes in a variety of colors. Same design but without the carrying loop on the right side. They're easy to install and it doesn't affect the case when it opens and closes. And here it is on the wireless charger. It works and it's not affected by the case. Elago also offers dust guards. Over time, the magnets in the case will attract iron and metal dust which look black and build up. These will help preserve the look. I will install it off camera since it requires a bit of attention when installing to line it up properly. It comes with 2 pairs. So here they are installed. You just have to be a bit patient when lining it up. They're easy to remove as well. The Elago AirPods Pro cases, an inexpensive option for you to preserve the look of your AirPods case and also to add additional grip. They're easy to install and they work well. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.